Good morning, dear students. In this video, we are going to learn about commercial or display advertisement. In the previous video, we had already discussed about different types of classified advertisement. Today, we'll be concentrating on the huge banners and posters that we usually observe in the marketplace or in magazines. So these commercial advertisement or display advertisement, as we call it, these are posted by leading organizations and manufacturers for their publicity, for their promotion of products or services. These type of advertisements need a huge amount of money to publish it or to broadcast it via different means. It requires more space, it should be visually attractive, and there should be catchy slogans, expressions, and pictures. As in the board exam, we can't paste pictures, so we are going to draw some sketches or a logo, whichever is going to be easy for you. And there should be a proportionate spacing in these advertisements. So let's begin with the different types. Here you can observe a commercial advertisement of the soap Hamam. Here you can see a picture of the soap and then the caption over here, fresh and glowing with Hamam, and then a few points which tells us about the product. Hamam complexion, fresh and glowing, radiant, it's rich fragrant, and it's lather. So all these types of different features of the product, it should be written. Plus there should be a picture of the product and then some captions like the longer lasting toilet soap. The another picture you can observe is of a shampoo, Palmolive. Here also the product picture is given and then a few points which shows why this product is so good. Here you can observe the brand name is also highlighted, and so these are the different types which we often observe in magazines. This one is another creative advertisement of Mercedes where the caption is given as extreme as you, and the few features are given over here: retractable hardtop, HP supercharged engine, etc. While writing the advertisement, these are the important points that one should remember. That however unique an advertisement you think of, but the name and the address of the advertising agency or institution should be there. The entire details of the product should be mentioned, and it will be good if you write it in 4 or 5 points. 5 points describing the product. Then there should be mention of special discount or attractions. You can make a star and you can inside it you can write free, or you can write sale or 10% discount, and then many captions or pictures about the product. This is an example of launching a new product. So here in this question we are asked to launch a new product, that is watch. So pictures of the watch should be there. Then you can also prepare a logo and then decide the name of the watch that can be your creation, and then a caption for whom it is meant, and then 5 points describing the product like exclusive designer collection, couple watches with accessories, largest manufacturer of waterproof watches, personalized watches also available. So these 5 points will fetch you marks. And then the address of the showrooms, because this is a product which can be available in various showrooms, so the address of the product should be there. This one is another example for launching a product. Here you can see if you are too lazy to draw something, then you can use these clouds or stars, and inside it you can write offers, introductory offers, and then a name of a company which presents this unique toothpaste and what are the features. Here strong gums, fight tooth decay, 18 hours freshness, protection from yellowing of teeth. And then because there's no need of address, a product like toothpaste can be available everywhere, so you can just write available at all the leading stores. This is an example for advertisement for an educational institution. Here you can just use a star and you can mention admission open, and then you can write the name of your class or institution. Like here I have started with a caption, make your dream come true, qualify IIT, JEE and NEET, and rely on bright tutorials. Here you have to highlight the name of the institution, and then 4 or 5 points giving the important highlights why your institution is very good, like expert guidance, extensive coaching, periodic test and question bank. And then I've also added over here postal courses, the entire duration and fees is given, and here I'm writing write for free prospectus too and the entire address of the main institution. This is another example for educational institution like Z Fine Arts Academy, and whatever classes this academy is offering, that I have written down here. And then you can use simple diagrams like this, or clouds or star, announcing the different captions or different highlights that you want to give. And then I've written here 5 points like classes conducted by professionals, AC classroom, transport facility available, enroll immediately and avail special discount. Make sure that these points are not written in full sentences like classes are conducted by the professionals. Only just like advertisement, you have to give it just like a caption form. And then the address of the class where you are taking. This is an advertisement of travels and tours. Here travels and tours, you can also write classified advertisement if it is asked, but if it is asked that write a commercial advertisement or display advertisement for travels and tours, then you can write it like this. You can give the caption, beat the heat, enjoy the luxury of the cool mountain breeze, because here I am announcing attractive package for Shimla and Manali. And then the details of the package like 4 days 3 nights, and then the cost of the package should be given, then accommodation in 3-star hotels. These are the points, the 4 points which is to be written. Transportation, sightseeing and all the meals included. So these are the things why it makes this Raj Travels very special. And then the entire address of this tour package. Raj Travels, Sun Towers, IP State, Lucknow. And then I've also added a cloud which announces 10% discount for the first booking. Make sure that you use some diagrams or some logos so that it makes your advertisement more attractive. This is an advertisement of a science fair in school. Here first we'll write the name of the school, that is AVS Public School, and then we'll announce the 3rd annual science fair, which is also written in bold letters. And then here the date is given, and here a figure is given of the rocket, and then a caption, find out new discoveries and achievements in the science and meet the scientist behind it. This is a caption which makes it more interesting. And then 4 or 5 points demonstrating what will be there in the science fair, like robotics, stars and planet show, live demonstrations, maths magic, puzzles, floor games, and then the website or where you can contact. Here also a logo is also given. So this way you can write in science fair advertisement for a school. These commercial advertisements are more or less like a poster, but the only difference is that 5 points describing the product and the product should be there. So I hope that you have understood. If you have any problems, do tell me. Thank you.